Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging both earbuds and the case until the LED indicates sufficient power. This prevents interruptions. Once charged, open the case close to your phone and place the earbuds in your ears to wake them. Make sure your device's Bluetooth is on, then select Nothing Ear 2024 from the pairing list. If you hear a voice prompt, pairing succeeded. If not, remove and reinsert earbuds to re-trigger discovery. This establishes a stable initial connection for firmware and settings. Once paired, you should fit the correct ear tips. Test the seal with music and switch sizes until bass and isolation improve. Then install the Nothing app to check for firmware updates. Updating fixes bugs and improves stability. In the app, enable active noise cancellation or transparency based on environment, and customize EQ and touch controls so gestures match your habits. Make small adjustments and retest after each change, because proper fit and settings together determine comfort. For daily use, monitor battery percentage in the app and keep the case charged so you never lose range mid-call. If you encounter dropouts, stuttering, or one ear silent, first move closer to the device and toggle Bluetooth. If that fails, reset the earbuds by holding the case button for 10 seconds to force repairing. Also, clean charging contacts and replace ear tips when dirty, because grime causes poor charging and seal loss. If problems persist, try another phone to isolate device-specific issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.